Hello, friend. You eat hot pot one. Today I teach you great way to eat Chongqing hot pot. Follow me. For spicy soup, we have little hot, medium hot, and extra hot. For clear soup, tomato, mushroom. No, don't just eat. Sausage is soft. Chongqing local like this. Follow me. Welcome to underground city. Bye bye.